Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a gift card in Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, go to pages and select your store page or shop page and click on this plus icon and now select here gift card. Enter a title for the gift card in the add product name field. This name only displays on the product page and not on the gift card email or PDF. Add details about the gift card to the add description field. Click add images or drag and drop images from your computer to the image field to add an image. You can add multiple images here. By default, the gift card will have 4 preset values. Click the amount field to edit the values. These values appear in a drop-down menu so customers can select their desired amount. So you can select or change these amounts. Click this add to add more gift card values. It isn't possible for customers to enter a custom value. To delete a value, click this 3-dot icon and click delete. And you can add category or you can add tags, and these 2 fields is optional. And once you fill up all this option, click on save and you can schedule your gift card or you can publish or you can save. So this was how we can create gift card in Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.